Tired of waiting for your Airwallex physical card to magically work? You're not alone. Getting that shiny new card in your hands is exciting, but it's useless until you activate it. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to activate your Airwallex physical card and start spending. Airwallex is a popular choice for businesses and individuals alike, offering a range of financial services including international payments, currency exchange, and of course, physical and virtual cards. But before you can enjoy the perks of your physical card, you need to activate it. This process ensures the security of your card and prevents unauthorized use. Now, let's dive into the activation process. Locate your card details. On the card itself, you'll find your card number, expiration date, and CVV. You'll need these details for the activation process. Log into your Airwallex account. Access your Airwallex account through the app or the web portal. Navigate to the Card section. Look for the Cards tab or a similar option within your account dashboard. Select Activate Card. You should find an option to activate your physical card. Click on it. Enter card details. You'll be prompted to enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV that you noted earlier. Follow on-screen instructions. The activation process might involve additional steps, such as setting a PIN for your card or verifying your identity through a secondary authentication method. Confirmation. Once you've completed all the necessary steps, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully activated. Test your card. To ensure everything is working correctly, try making a small test transaction. This could be a simple purchase from an online store or a withdrawal from an ATM. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth activation process. Refer to the Airwallex Help Center. If you encounter any issues or have any questions, the Airwallex Help Center is a valuable resource. You can find detailed instructions, FAQs, and contact information there. Contact Airwallex support. If you're unable to resolve the issue yourself, reach out to Airwallex customer support. They can assist you with the activation process and troubleshoot any problems you may be facing. Now that your card is activated, you can start enjoying its benefits. Easy and convenient spending. Make purchases online and offline with ease and convenience. Competitive exchange rates. Enjoy competitive exchange rates when spending abroad. Travel benefits. Take advantage of travel perks and rewards offered by Airwallex. Enhanced security. Benefit from advanced security features such as fraud protection and card controls. Activating your Airwallex physical card is a simple and straightforward process. By following these steps, you can quickly get started and enjoy the convenience and benefits of using your card. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.